Hello, everyone. Let's jump. We just do enjoy music when we are on standby. Hello, everyone. All right, I'd like to do a first song here from a folk song called from John Denver. Um, no, James Taylor, Handyman. Ayun. Hey girls, got around the sense of what I'm putting down. Oh, baby, I'm too handyman. Arikali sa bedroom, Hamdi the love and I'm so full. Facebook and Arsenal, that's who league. Two broken hearts should need a bear that I'm never see. Whisper sweet things, it's still a fence. They can run to me. Here is the reason that I want to stay. Be so fit for hours a day. Fix a broken arsenal. That's a leaking. Come, 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 come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come, 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 come on. They can run to me. Here is the reason that I want to stay. And these are faded for hours a day. Fix a broken hearts alone. And that's a league. Come, 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 come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come, 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 come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. I'd like to say hi to Kuya Will TV. Musta kayo, Amity? I'm here all support you. Thank you. Of course, to Daniela. Alright, testing ko lang dito, Apo. Hello, welcome. Okay, share mo, Daniela Ikalinga. Alright. Hello to Marcus Bigawan. Hi, watching from Hong Kong. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Alright, this is another song from Colin Ray called Love Me. Love Me, Love Me. Okay. First song. Second song. A shout out. Lens from Hong Kong. Thank you, Dinayala. I'm camping in these cold, 'cause shorty don't want to be. See, boy, you might not understand. Some loves I'm cold. My starting in life, when I loved you, but my soul. All these crazy love to me, run ways to get buried in first out we can do forever. But nailed to this fever, we were supposed to be instead. I found this letter, this is what it said. If she could ever I do, don't give up on me. On me to leave my 2 cents bill. To love will I'll be, but I'm not gonna let you down. Not in a way that I see, with me down there till I see you again. I'll belong to you. Love me. The stars in the fall, my grandma used to live. The way on the pictures, movie and drama start to play. There are never survive on my feet seducing. That she said some words to her, but I spilled all the week's tears. If she could ever I do, don't give up on me. I'll need to be my 2 cents bill. So long will I'll be, but I'm not gonna let you down. Gonna wait and see, but we down there till I see you again. I'm loving you. Love me. Alright, I'd like to say hi to Rodora Lai Asan. Alright, thank you very much. Of course, to Lens from Hong Kong. Hello, how are you? A shout out, idol. Shout out kay Lens, Hong Kong. Hello to Kuya Will TV. Ginvite kayo kaya po dito ng mga viewers tayo. Hello to... Ay, parehas na. To Marie Chris Villaon. Hi, watching from Hong Kong. Thank you very much for watching. Hello to Remy Marcos. Hi, watching here in Kuwait. Yan eh. Sige, invite pa kayo ng mga viewers natin tapno na ganganas ti jamming tayo niya. Okay, I would like to do a song from Glenn Frey called Lover's Moon. Over my shoulder. she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she speaks for me under the lover's moon. It's a lover's moon tonight. When I'm down on half of this world, some make so sweet its life, but for me there's just one girl, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she's waiting for me under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Alright, Remy Marcos, nagpakaiti to mga viewers to my first time to have live on Facebook. Ay, no, ko sa YouTube pala. Tinesting ko lang. Oh, shout out kini Charlie Langbay Langbisan, of course. To Star Lager, no, da kayo man dita, jam with me. Yan eh. Okay, try ko lang natin ni request command sir dyan in case you didn't know Remy Marcos. Sige, try. Medyo madi pa lang ti boses ko ta, so paspasensyahan nyo yan niya. Okay. In case you didn't know, na. Sige, bye. I can't confess, I want to say what's on my mind, but I didn't. Just the other day, I don't know what things to say, but I couldn't, just couldn't. Baby, I know that you've been wondering. So there's nothing in case you didn't know. Baby, I'm crazy about you, and I won't lie if I say that I believe this life without you alone. I don't sadly want to sign on my heart alone as I fall. In case you didn't know, the way you lose life, saying that's fine, deleting. There's something about that kiss, girl, leave me in, got me thinking. One of the things that I've been feeling is really here. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you, and I'm you know I don't necessarily walk beside you, cut my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, you got on me. I belong to you. Yeah, you are my everything. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I won't lie if I say that I couldn't live this life without you. No, I don't sell you walk beside. You cut my heart and all I go. In case you didn't know. Thank you for that requested song, in case you didn't know. Yan eh. Sige. Invite pa kayo na mga ano natin. Hello to Faustman Station. Salamat sa malasaging dito. Daniel Akin. Alright, we just enjoy. Alright, sige. Music tayo. Well, salamat sir. Iti pa ng kanta mo kayo. Welcome, basta amo tayo. Sige, fight. Diba? Let's enjoy music. Ginpahit kayo pwede kakarwati ng agpuya. Tapno nagganganas di panagkankanta. I heard a song from George Strait called Cowboy Rides Away. Stays right here from the start. When she dealt the cards, I bet my heart. But I just found a game that I can play. This is fair. And my heart is sinking like the setting sun, setting off the things I wish I'd done. It's time to say goodbye to yesterday. As the credits roll inside the song starts to play, the season where the cowboy rides away, the season where the cowboy rides away. Sa lahat ng may birthday, Nell. Happy birthday to you. Of course, I would like to thank you all the visitors over here, like Postman Station. Hello, sir. To Val Marsan. Hello, sir. To thank you for coming. Hello to Manang Claire Polano. Yeah, all right. Jamming tayo dito. Val Marsan. Thank you, sir. Hindi naman sakto lang. Hindi naman mayat. Yeah. Hello to Rodora Lai Asan, listening while cooking. Thank you. Yan Basta Alright, country-country tayo. Sige, habang nagluluto, naglilinis, naliligo. Sige, music trip tayo. Okay, di ba? Okay, here's a song from Dunsil's Gold, Everything That Glitters Is Not Gold. Dedicated to all country lovers, of course, to all music lovers watching right now. See the picture on the post, the coffee on the feeds. It's to steal the speed I as for me, little case is to make the circuit. What else later when going home? And she still asking about you all the time. It's never promised by at all. There are times I think about you. The way is to ride on. Either honest and either secrets. It's some light on their hair that all the crowd will always love you. It's for me, come along. Now the thing that leaders is to go home. But it's getting old. The Saturday is done. You know, just can't bear to let it go. Little days are still growing. As you started asking questions, certain things that man just doesn't know. I'm burning pain and never even cold. But it gets never comes by at all. There are times I think about you. The way is to ride. Either eyes and either secrets. Either some light on their hair. But all the crowd will always love you. It's for me, come along. I think that leaders is to go home. Everybody said he'll make it big someday. But I guess that we were long beyond your day. But someday I'm sure to God know the constant. It's for everything something close. There are times I think about you. The ready to ride out later on this near cities. It is some light on your hair, but all the crowd will always love you. It's for me to come alone. Yeah, the thing that leaders is to go. Oh, and the thing that leaders is to go. All right, thank you so much. Those okay, fight pa kayo guys. Tapno nagangganas. Thank you, Daniela Ikalinga. Aduti damag kang karamdama. It's my first time to have live on YouTube. Anyway, here's a song from Dancils once again, One Friend. Yan, sa lahat na yung mga nagre-rest, natutulog, here's a song for you. Always told you were the best. Yes, he always been. Always felt we were blessed. All feel that we still. Such picture behind them, and we always such fun. I had only one thing left, wanted to be you. That's the world saw her side. Sometimes it was fair. That's the game helping hand. Sometimes we didn't care. It's when we were together, the great dream comes true. If I had only one thing left, I wanted to be you. One stares me and knows me inside out. Hands keeps me together and believe me without a doubt. But I do go the mountain, someone who sells fruit. If I had only one thing left, I wanted to be you. Someone stares me and knows me inside out. And hands keeps me together and believe without a doubt. But I give the mountain someone who such food. If I had only one thing left, I wanted to be you. Alright, salamat sa mga nag-invite, sa mga friends nila. Manong oras ka live, stream, cross, my friend, so maybe we'll sing more 5 songs, okay? So 40 minutes siguro lahat, okay? Okay ba? Then I will prepare some songs tomorrow once again para kanya yung amin. Salamat ka naging nagpuya na tayo. Busy to work na. Thank you very much. Okay, one more day from Diamond Rio. Hello, everyone. Hello to 5 p.m. online jam. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Postman Station. Hindi ko masyado pagsabi ikaw ang Pangulo. Sige, any songs na. One more day from What's in my heart, it faces me. Which was wrong to judge for me could be for anything. Didn't ask for my name or much in the Malibu. Simply wish one more day with you. One more day, one more time. On both sides, maybe I'll be satisfied. But then again, I know what it will do. Leave me wishing still one more day with you. Stick it this way with time simple. I'm like this telephone, keep the TV on. I hold your every second, say a million I love yous. It's what I do, one more day with you. One more day, one more time. On both sides, so maybe I'll be satisfied. But then again, I know what it will do. Leave me wishing still one more day. Leave me wishing still one more day with you. Alright, that song from Diamond Rio. Hello, thank you, 5 p.m. online. Ciao. Di naman masyado. Hilig ko lang talaga kumanta kahit pangit ang boses. All to those who are in love. Just an ordinary song, a special girl like you. I'm a simple guy, so in love with you. I don't leave it on so the dialogue's no gold. The limousine, say you where you go. And if you ever find yourself sort of all the games you play, and the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to say sometimes that I'm near to this ordinary song. Just the ordinary song, special girl like you. I'm a simple guy, so in love with you. I believe that I'll do this to make you nice, my way. It blows away, made it seem so absurd. Deep inside me is you. You give life to what I do. All these tears we shed, it's true. Still I'm waiting for you. Too one times that I miss this unmarried song. Just an ordinary song, special girl like me. I'm a simple kind, so in love with you. Alright, well, to hello to 5 p.m. Hindi ko masyado kabisado yung parting time. Medyo mataas yun. Tsaka my voice is not yet conditioned. Sige, try ko nga kantaan yung request ni Lens. One nila from here to eternity. Dedicated sa akin yung lakay na nito. Sige, 5. I did everything I could to catch you tonight. Upsetting you, why? Now that you want, let's hold out your hand. Please close your eyes. I've been dying to ask you one burning question. Share your life with me. Now forever I guarantee I'd always stay by your side. Of love is my love to you. I'm willing and able to get into whatever you need. I believe for you. I'll always be me as eternity. I'd say to your photos ring, can't wait to see. I'll listen your hand. I give you everything, the problem I need. Oh, one woman man, all these problems and lies, they don't matter. I will be yours into eternity. I'm asking you to share your life with me. Now and forever I guarantee Thank you very much, guys, for joining me this night for this YouTube live. I'll try to do my best tomorrow. I just tinesting ko lang mag-live dito sa YouTube ngayon this time dahil kay Daniela. Salamat sa mga nag-request, salamat sa mga nanood, salamat sa mga nag-invite sa mga kanilang mga friends. Tomorrow again, magla-live ako. God bless and have a good night, everyone.